Chad, what's up, guys? Welcome back for the New York session. I hope you guys are ready for this one. We got my boy J Money running in here. He's coming in hot, guys. He's coming in hot. But we've got the vibes again, guys. We are literally continuing right where we left off this morning. We ain't gonna stop. We ain't gonna stop. But this is just the beginning, guys. Hope you guys are ready for it. Hope you guys still caught and held some of those trades, closed out the right times. We had two banger trades to start off this morning in the London session. Absolute monsters. I want to be for long as a goal from jobless came news, bro. I actually wanted to enter it as well. I did predict the market's news correctly, but I was busy showing the guys a video in the office and I wasn't watching time. But yeah, it's one of those things, but it definitely has just confirmed again our bias and direction for what we're going to do in New York session. So a lacquer one there. Yo, key shot for the DXY nugget, 100%, guys. Literally again today, it just has completely confirmed dollar bearishness. Dollar starting to form a bit more of a dovish momentum. Oof, that coffee's good, guys. That coffee is good. But road to the G80 2024 load-in. Bro, we are going to roll in those M4s. Don't you worry. Putting a lacquer buy entry on Nas just before unemployment claims. Hey, folks. I love to see that you guys are starting to understand fundamentals and being able to benefit from them now and actually get those quick, beautiful entries on trades. I'm really glad to see the guys are actually paying attention and really learning from what I'm saying, and again being able to benefit from these news releases. But alright, guys, we are going to jump right into the news analysis or market analysis. News was pretty much simple. The dollar unemployment claims came out higher than expected again, so that's the second time now. That obviously just bringing more momentum in that halt for the dollar. So that is why obviously dollar has continued bearish now, and that's pretty much that. So we know for today we want to be looking for anything to go dollar weakness, so we'll be selling any dollar pairs, so UJ sell, EU buys, GU buys, and then obviously indices and stuff we will be going long on. But let's just break down what we're going to look for. Okay, so this is almost irrelevant now, we just know we want to be bearish. We've ticked all the other boxes for the day. So let's go over to the dollar, to gold. So on gold, guys, funny enough, we had this breakaway. I was watching this after news. I would have loved to see a pullback to this 4-hour rejection area to hold the support and continue up. Big thing, we've got the 4-hour candle closing now, or it did close at 4 o'clock, closing above this area again and closing above the highs. So that was a very, very positive thing for us to go long. So I would love to get an entry in now, guys, anywhere from here. Like I said, pull back to this 4-hour rejection to test it, and we will literally go long, we'll go long all the way up to this daily key level of 1980. All right, so that's what we're going to keep an eye on for today. But let's hope, as long as we can get that entry in, we're going to find a way, guys. Trust me, we will find a way, but we will be in on this trade. We just want a little bit of a pullback, and then we can go long again on that. So let's actually set an alert there just in case. We don't want to miss that beauty. I have an account solely for news trading, max leverage always, and if I'm wrong, the loss won't hurt me. Bro, that is the way to do it. I always say if you want to do that, put some money in a side account, trade the news, and like be prepared to lose that money and full port it then. But especially guys that are funded, I always say don't ever trade a funded account on news unless you got some serious balls on you or you know what you're doing. But alright, so Nas, we are bullish again, guys. As I mentioned, same thing, we just wanted the pullback. We have pulled back, we found the support area, yeah, but I always say we also had a 4-hour rejection area we could have looked to break and go long. But we start dropping down to the 15, very, very simple. You can see these areas we marked out. So that little flip area for us is over there. Here's the rejection, there's Asia lows, there's our rejection area. So for me, I'd love to see market open, maybe push us back down to these areas to get a bit of a retest, maybe even fake out, get that rejection area, make the low of the day to come back, and once you are above, go back up. As we can see, daily pivot and EQ way above us, so can also catch a juicy trade over there for us. Let's go to US30. If we pay attention over here, almost very, very similar. The only difference is now we have the EQ and the pivot tested. All we're going to want to do is come down to break that, get the S1, make the low of the day, even can push past it to trade back above, get Asia lows, and all the way to the R1, possibly even R2 to see how things go, as we are bullish. So what are we looking for? We want to be making new highs. So at this point in time, we are bearish. We want to close, and if you see where these other candles are closing, any other traffic for us, it's quite a bit up. So literally somewhere like in line here, we can start looking at candles. So again, that R2 would be a very, very nice target for us. But I think definitely today, guys, we're going to get another juicy trade for us. Let's just hope, whether it's USD, gold, or NAS, we are going to get something, guys. Don't you worry. And we're back. Hey y'all, did I miss anything yet? We just did the quick machine gun analysis, but haven't entered or anything yet. But my boy J Riz, what are you looking at for today, brother?
I'm looking at Euro USD, USD Yen. I'm also looking at gold, and I'm about to analyze Nasdaq and US30 as well. Currently looking at the DXY. We've taken out that demand zone that was marked out, but there's another zone slightly below it, which I mentioned earlier. There is that liquidity from, let me just double check the date here, from yesterday, and that new demand zone which I'm targeting now is actually lines up with the S1. So the moment DXY goes to the S1, we could start seeing dollar gain some strength. However, also now depends how strong it will head towards that zone, because it could easily still continue dumping, and they would obviously push gold up, Euro USD up, GU up. And also looking at Euro USD, the way that 4-hour candle closed was very, very strong, no top wick, so we could just see a slight pullback and then continue to the upside. So one of two things will happen: either we'll have a short-term sell on Euro USD, because we are currently trading at the at the R1. It's currently above it, so the moment I can see a close below that with my pattern, fair value gap, change of character, and so forth, then I will take that. On gold, I must first analyze it as well and then get back to you on that. But currently, potentially looking for longs on UJ and potentially looking for shorts on EU, but all depends on the pattern.
Awesome, brother. Awesome. Afternoon, family. I saw your stream from before CPI and I'll accept it. You called it to the T. Appreciate it, Peter. As I said, bro, I'm never trying to hate. I'm not trying to be anything. As I always say, guys, you want to chat, you want to literally like, let's go back and forth. Let's chat about things. Let's chat. But I always respect someone that, you know what, if you want to give me shit, that you can come back afterwards and say, like you said, I'll accept it. You called it to the T. I have respect for that, bro. I always say that. Car culture, how so, bro? Oh yeah. Imagine if we had the GU trade from London, bro. That would have been madness, eh? Was a beautiful trade on GU, guys. We took GU this morning. We literally closed out over here. I literally know was when this bearish candle was forming, so we closed out over here. Yes, we had some pullback, but we wouldn't have even been hit at entry. Our entry was like over here somewhere, so we wouldn't have been tapped, and literally flew to there like mad trade. So if any of the guys were still holding it, props to you. But you know what, guys, we still took 2% for the day on this trade, so I'm happy with that. But it was a beautiful trade this morning. Hey Keys, was a killer trader. Keys, that was a killer trade this morning. Really appreciate it. US30's next move. We want a bit of a pullback before we go long. Nas moving weird, same thing. I didn't give you shit, but I didn't think calling news was possible. Well, that's what I'm talking, bro. Like I always say, don't take it like offensively. When I talk, I always just say I talk straightforward. Like I'm just saying like that. It's not like I'm being rude. Please don't take it as rude. I'm just like straight to it. But again, if someone can always come and give the credits afterwards, I have respect for that, bro. What's up, G's? What's up, Nila? Keegs is the GOAT. Afternoon, gents. By the way, Keegs, my Forex funds had 100 million of their assets unfrozen, so hopefully good shit comes soon. Oh, damn, bro. When was that announced? I called G with you this morning and got the retest pre-New York session. Bro, that's awesome. Are the S1 and R1s on indicators? Yes, they're on pivot standard. Bro, it would have been 6 figures. Oh, it would have been a crazy trade there, bro. Yeah, it would have been a banger, that one. Looking for buys on NAS, right? Yeah, we're gonna buy on NAS. Dollar is weakened, so we wouldn't be buying indices. Morning, 14th of this month, so it was announced a couple of days ago. That's crazy, bro. I actually want to go see then if there's any more like activity. Like if I go to my account, nah, still nothing. Because that's the thing, my account is literally still frozen on August. Like you can't do anything. That's crazy. But again, yeah, it looks like maybe something's gonna happen soon. That would be pretty cool if we got some news on that soon. Well, missed you guys yesterday. We missed you too, bro. It was a bit of a bleak one, but that's why we came in hot this morning to make up for it. There's nothing yet, but we sent an email. I want to hear from them what's happening. I want my withdrawal at my account. Yeah, bro. I think we all do, eh? I also had a buy limit, was not placed. So we're just waiting for market open, guys, at half past. Like we said, this is pretty New York session. We literally have like 3 pairs we go through. You guys know how it is. But we just get chill out now, chat, and we can go for it after that. But yeah, gold, that's what I really want to get in again today. So again, we just want that pullback, hold the support, maybe in a little bit of a fake out, something like that, and then go along. Just to know it was right. There was no trade on Nas100, right? Wait, just to know if I was right, there was no trade on Nas. No trade on Nas, bro. Nothing yet. Nas, I want the pullback. I want Asia lows to be tested, possibly even the 400 rejection, make that low of the day, and then go up as our pivot and EQ are all above us, and we are bullish with dollar weakness. I understand why FX is so exciting compared to crypto, lol. Yeah. Yesterday, yeah, we didn't take anything on Nas yesterday either, bro. Either as well. Finally, TP hit. You know, guys, I actually want to talk to you guys about something. Just because of Nas and US30, we got some price money here. Or money, we got time. A lot of people think dollar and Nas and US30 are correlated. So they move opposites. Now, yes, they do. But they do to a point. And that's why sometimes you'll see Nas closed bearish, US30 closed bullish yesterday. You can see the difference there. I mean, that's quite an average thing. That was quite a lot of wick rejection with a closure downwards. So why is that? Now, the reason for that is, keep in mind, so US30 is US top 30 companies, all right? So when we look at it that way, you guys need to understand those are obviously American companies. So what happens when dollar gets stronger? All right, sometimes dollar getting stronger actually benefits US30 and Nas because they are backed by the dollar. So when the dollar gets stronger, it's more appealing for investors to invest in US companies. But at the same time, when it gets weaker, the companies can stand out. So they don't necessarily drop, they will actually get stronger because they've got their investors. But that pure thing is why I say when dollar starts increasing, you will actually see US30 or Nas sometimes increase with it. And that is purely because the dollar becomes attractive to investors, so they invest in US companies. So US30 or Nas could invest at the same time dollar starts investing. But it's just something I want to talk up to because someone asked me about it the other day. So yes, they do move in a bit of a correlation, but don't always think that's 100% the case, because that's where I see a lot of guys get clapped on them. What did you say on USD JPY? I didn't get it. Jay, what do you want for UJ? No, you didn't analyze it yet, eh?
No, not yet. Because the market looks very weird to me, man. I don't like the way patterns are looking right now. But on USD Yen, I'm expecting buys. But I wouldn't say I wanted to go lower. I would like to actually have a reaction from here. But based on the dollar index could first go to the S1, and that could first manipulate the dollar to go, USD Yen to go down first. But if it holds, seeing that it's almost 4:30 now, that means we'll be 30 minutes into the session. So if it holds, and then look at Euro USD right now. Euro USD dropped, so it gave me that shift candle, the fair value gap. Now it's all a matter of to see what's gonna happen now moving forward. So if EU sets up, gold might set up, because gold had that little pullback now, and then USD Yen also had a slight pump to the upside now. And then the other thing is, what is this again? I have a green line here on my DXY. I just have to make sure what I put it here as, because it's obviously there for a reason. I think that might be the OTE, if I'm not mistaken. No, that's not it. Okay, I can't remember, but right now at the moment I'm highly selective, only going to be looking at Euro USD. I looked at Nasdaq now. I second that with UKEX for potential buys, because we have that wick all the way there on top, which is a untested supply zone, which obviously if you want to see price dip, first touch that and then drop. So currently at the moment for me, only looking at Euro USD, Nasdaq, gold and UJ. But I'll definitely update you guys once I have a more clear understanding of what to do.
There we have it.
Because even me, guys, I'm confused right now.
Neil, what's your bias on GJ? I'll have a look for you now, bro, but I know I am bullish on it. But I'll check it out for you now. Redwan, US30 looks nice. Looks like we're selling all the way down to 34,418. So, bro, here's the deal, eh? We're going to buy, and you're going to sell, and you let me know how that goes, okay? We can chat about it afterwards. Keegs, what do you think of EU buys a daily pivot? Okay, guys, we have a bit of time. So I'm first doing GJ for Nila. JPY. I mean, like a blank here. Yeah, so this just opened. I would be bullish on it. So purely we had this candle reject off here again on those lows. You can see basically on the money. So for me, as I always say to the guys, I just want that closure out to the bottom. So literally anywhere here you are now, I mean, you are on the S1. I'd probably start looking, me personally, I'd start looking for entry criteria that I can get and go along. Your daily pivot and EQ obviously just been rushed in the morning, but Asia highs still remain untested as well. So yeah, personally, I'd look for entry criteria, bro. If you get it, I'd go long.
Tristan van Niekerk, if I'm looking for buys on EURUSD, I'm actually looking for sells on EURUSD. I am long-term bullish on it, but before we can buy it, it must first actually go to my demand zone. So that means price will have to push up. Push down. So with that push down, there's actually a zone from yesterday, my supply from yesterday, where I'm looking to execute from. So we have that fair value gap. We have everything we need. And oh, look at this on EURUSD. So based on my criteria, the OTE lines up perfectly with the pivot. So if price reverses here going back into that zone I want to sell from, that will be the ideal place for us to sell from, and it will be 1.08760. So as you can see over there as well, institutional level 1.08750 could be that zone for us. That could also add to some confluence.
But yeah, going back to Lesik, EU, I am bullish on the day, so bars are there. But for me, Asia has obviously been on the daily pivot. You had the retest, you had the breakaway. Personally, I don't think you're going to get that retest. The move has happened and you've missed it. That's me personally.
And to touch on that, guys, why would you want to buy so high? You know, just something to think about. Like, you must buy low and sell high. So if you want to buy EURUSD right at the top, that means you're buying at the high of the day, which isn't.
God, GJ, we just went over that 3 seconds ago, so literally just rewind a bit. But yeah, Redwan, let's check it out, my man. Let's see what happens. I love having the viewers try to take me on. So let's see what you got, bro. Let's see what you got. US30, we also went over it already, guys. Go back. We are going to be buying US30 and Redwan is selling it. Again, I have no clue what you see that you want to sell it. But best of luck to you, my brother. Best of luck to you. Keegs likes a challenge. I love a challenge, guys. You know me. Please explain or show settings for pivot standard. Mine looks weird and squashed. Literally, that's my thing, guys. Inputs. All I changed to 1 because I think the starting number is like 1,500 or something like that. Something stupid. So I just changed it to 1. And yeah, then I have all my different ones. That's the pivot settings. Style, his labels, lines, visibility, nothing's changed. Yeah, that's it. I think we need a heckler in every live. Keegs gets dialed in on his trades. You know it, guys. US30, we are going long. Gold hearts. What about gold hearts? We are waiting for a pullback on gold. I'm looking for buys for US30. Yeah, bro, we're also looking for buys. That's called going long. What? WTR, brother.
It's oil.
Don't look at oil. The DXY. She's trying to fight. You know what? That's perfect though, bro. Because, like I said, Nas needs to come down. US30 needs to come down. DXY pushes back up to Asia lows, rejects off Asia lows. Gold will come back down to 4-hour rejection. So all the trades will line up then. So I'm happy with dollar to do that for us. But it is also healthy to challenge a trade idea as it helps with reason and why take a trade. 100%, bro. 100%. I always say to you guys, like, back your trades. Like, so I'm not trying to be rude when I say it. Like, I'm always up for that daily wage. Like, back yourself. Go, you sell, I'll buy, or whatever the case is. If I'm going to sell, you buy, whatever it is. Back yourself and let's see. I can lose and you can win. But again, maybe that will give you that confidence you need as a trader. So back yourselves. It's always good. Like, have different reasonings, have different approaches, and we see how it plays out. And let's say if I lose, what did you see that you took the buy? Or whatever it was, the opposite direction. And if I win, you can come to me and go, cool, like, take it like a man, go, okay, you were right. Why did you see it as that way? And learn from it. Oil is seasonal. Gold, oil, please. Bro, I said I do not analyze oil. I've done it for people. I'm not doing it now. Nas has no top week, looking good for buys and equal highs. Exactly, guys. I love it that you guys start picking these things up. I love it. You can both be right. You might just get both sides of the position. Yeah, bro, 100%. Except both of these moves are going to be, if I'm correct, my moves are going to be big. So he's going to be clapped out very, very hard.
So sorry, quickly guys, looking at Euro USD, it dropped significantly from that point where I want to sell from. But I see a very similar setup setting up on gold. So gold could follow next, giving us some short potential sells. If
You're shorting gold?
Potentially.
Hey, me and Jairus are going to have a daily wager.
So the zone I'm looking at is 1973.51. And then if I do take it, the stop will be 18 pips. And then we'll target Asian lows.
Alright, interesting.
Very risky, but if it plays out, I'm sure we'll all smile.
Yeah. On the side note, did you see the PS5 Pro gaming computer specs, bro? I only saw the other day that legit, like only the other day, I saw they released the PS5, what they call it, the PS5 Slim. Like, to me, it's not worth it. I mean, I have my PS5, I love it. Like, I'm not going to go spend money just to get a bloody Slim or a Pro. Like, right now, I'm very, very happy with my normal PS5. I might take this out down to where he enters on gold. If you're trying to be right, then you have a long way to go. The process should be systematic. I don't get the point in that, but alright. To be fair, you trade to be right, because if you're wrong, that means you're hitting stops every single time. So I don't know why you're trading to hit stops. So yes, I get what you're saying. There can be a systematic approach, but that is for you to be right. So kind of contradict yourself. I'm looking to sell gold down to 1968. It could definitely happen. 1968 being a bit of a breakaway zone. Obviously want to enter 1969. So if you get a little bit of fake out back above, 100%. Yes, now they're launching the Pro this month. What games you play? I need a Warzone partner, bro. Hit me up on IG, bro. We can jam. A few of me and the other trading boys, we jam. Literally, bro, I'm busy grafting in Modern Warfare 3 now for camos and stuff like that. So we can 100% jam some Warzone. I need some players that actually can shoot and know what they're doing. Not like shooting at like the flipping sky. And like when rank comes out, bro, I'm a hardcore rank player. You on tonight, Keegs? If I don't have load shedding, I'm probably, I'll be able to play tonight, bro. All I do with my life is trade and play PS, bro, 100%. Like I always said, like when I got a girlfriend now, I'm trading or I play games, because the playing games keeps me out of trouble. PS5, Xbox Series, you are not worth it anymore. PC Gamers United, bro. Oh, I've got all three. So I've got a gaming, I've got my rig at home, I've got an Xbox, and I've got a PS. Oh, yeah, I'll DM you. COVID made me pro. Oh, yeah, bro, you're gonna carry us. You're gonna carry us. I'll give you some solid setups and trades, and you get me some dubs. Personally looking to sell gold from, from 74 to 61. You're 61, so you want to go back to Asia highs, basically.
Whoop, guys, look at gold. It's almost at my zone. Almost at my zone.
All right, guys, market is open. Round 2, fight. Great planning, unmatched duo, 100%, bro. But I must say, because we play with Garen, so I don't know, you guys know G, we had him on here as a guest. He's like my little Warzone partner. Every now and again, when Jabba feels nice, he actually does join me. Yeah, when he actually feels like it, then he plays with it as well. So we actually do, I won't say we're too bad, like we actually do have a pretty solid like setup that we drill with. Missed a nice gold long earlier.
Okay, guys, I'm in on gold. I'm tapped in.
You in? You selling, eh?
Yes, I am.
So what's your entry?
1973.51.
73.51.
Yes. Stop loss is 20 pips.
20 pips.
Yes.
Yo. That is tight, bro. And what's your TP again?
Asian low at 1956.56.
All right.
But obviously, guys, we'll take partials as the market moves.
All right, guys. There's Jev's trade. Let's see what the man can do. I back your trade because your sell will come to my entry point that I can buy.
Yeah.
I can push price to you. I back your sell.
I can push price to you. Life of a market maker.
I need my 7.5 broski there. Yeah, bro. We'll see if we can get Jabba to join us. Yeah, bro. Let's take a walk in Al-Mazrah, boys. There we go. We'll go ride around in that EV Hammer with all our trading money. Okay, guys. Nas giving us that sell off. I'm going to mark off here underneath the Asia lows. I actually did a mark, which is pretty stupid because US30 is flipping doing what we wanted. But again, we don't have an entry criteria yet, so we'll wait if it comes maybe a bit back. Because, yeah, we can't just enter off of that yet. DXY, rejecting of Asia lows, as we said. So let's see what we can get, guys. But markets are open. We get a setup. We're going to take it. And, I mean, Jeb's already in on it. Keegs, what's your Warzone name? I can't think off the top of my head now. But it is Scooby something. Scooby. Hold on. I know I sent it to someone. Where's Carl? Wait. There we go, guys. I'll drop it in the chat. You can join us for some Warzone. So if you guys play a card, you can happily invite me and we'll jam out there, guys. Oh wait, there you go, guys. There's my Call of Duty gamer tag. So whether it's Warzone or we're gonna just do ranked, whatever it is, just send me an invite there. We can jam together, guys. Jev, I hate to say I told you it was bullish, bro. But I still back you because I'm not in the trade, so I needed to come down still.
Yeah, we'll see. I'm also tempted here on UJ. It's also at my zone, but it's not. You know, should I take it? Shouldn't I take it? Euro USD as well, hitting back to that fair value gap we want to sell from. So yeah, we'll just wait and see how it plays out.
If Nas closes bearish now on the 5-minute chart at 435, sell people, always works every day. Yo, red one. The man's coming for it. Don't worry, bro. Don't you worry. I'm waiting, bro. I'm waiting. I got your number. US30 is gone. We're gonna get Nas, guys. We are gonna get Nas, don't you worry.
I'm also taking a very small buy on USD yen, 15 pip stop from that fair value gap on the 3-minute, targeting the Asian highs.
Nah, no, Ridwan. It's only love, my brother. It's only love. Some friendly banter, little friendly challenge here. Only love, my brother. Where's the guy who sold US30? He's crying. You back in on DXY strength, Jev?
Not necessarily, but based on the USD's pattern is basically showing me on this demand zone, so it's holding it. Like the chances of it hitting the stop is there. It's a calculated risk, so but just literally waiting to, if it doesn't hold this zone, the next zone would be my point of interest. But let's wait and see.
Alright guys, I need to go run and pee quickly so I can get my entry, but I'll be back now.
But yeah, that's my 2 bullets for the session as well, so I'm not gonna take more trades after this.
No! Nas is going away, this little shit. Bro, calm down. There's one 5-minute candle. Wait, what are we going on about? Ron, teach me your ways, daddy. What do you guys do? I go away for flipping 5 minutes and I'm still, yes, I watch the live stream every day, my brother. No hate or love. Jev, according to my analysis, DXY retraced and closed below the 50% fib, then proceeded to reject, so I am DXY bearish. Don't worry, bro. I'm with you as well. I'm also bearish.
It's all good. Like I said, it's potentially that could flush. Literally, I just trade zone to zone. So if this zone doesn't work out, look at the next zone. But be highly selective from where you trade from. But yeah, you're right. It could definitely go down to the demand zone I have on DXY. The only thing with that is it's very close to the weekly lows. So I'm not sure where the price will actually go back to the lows to go take out those sellers.
Yeah, right now my only problem is I'm like, is this bloody Nas gonna come back down for me? At this point, guys, if we even actually retest this bloody line I drew, I'll enter off that. So let's just hope this stupid thing plays along and gives me a re-entry. Yeah, she's coming. Come on. Come on. Come on. This is the thing, guys. Also, like, don't make trading so serious, guys. Like, have fun. Like, chill out. Where's meneer Anton? Oh, Anton. Antonio. Hey,
Yeah,
there we go.
definitely,
Come on.
guys. Let's get the likes up. There's 200 people here. If we can at least have half the people like the live, that would be awesome.
If Anton pulls up, that's gonna retest. Bro, 100%. 100%. This is when we need Anton, yeah, because he's gonna help me push the market in my direction.
I don't know. The TP on UJ would be the Asian highs, so it would be 151.3. Oh wait, so it'll be 151.335.
Come on, calm down. Guys, I'm literally gonna go 0.5% if it literally, I'm gonna put a buy limit there. So it's on this area, yeah. So if we get a retest, I'm in.
On gold, I don't want to see gold break above this high, so hopefully this is just a test. But if we have a close above this, then I'm gonna scratch gold. So I want to see this 3-minute candle come back. Oh, there we come, stopped out.
Tech Labs in the house again with the bears.
So guys, seeing that gold stopped me, I'm gonna break even on UJ, because then potentially now with that push we could see USD yen push down more.
Wait, what happened to gold?
Stop it.
Damn! You took shots, bro. That was like a headshot right there. Bang.
And my chops.
You were sniped.
Wait, what?
Bro.
What's happening there?
I told you this is going up to date to 1980. I literally said it earlier. It just was, could we get an entry? Like that was it. Anton! Oh, Anton! He was for you. He was laying there lurking, and he was waiting for you, Jim.
Anton's a bad motherfucker. Bad luck.
You need medicine. Clear loss on gold. Gold got you down, Jev.
Yeah.
That man sits here just waiting for you to have a lose. Yeah. Anton, where were you this morning, my brother? Where were you? Jev, you need dope again.
Yeah, Anton.
Kiki. Oh, yeah. Anton. Do me a favor, go watch the morning stream. Actually, I know you probably were there. You just were too much of a flippin' chicken to throw when we were all winning. So, Aish, Anton, we love you. Come again. And I hope one day, someone will actually love you, my brother. Alright? But straight after that, Meneer Anton is out of the chat, ladies and gents. Bruh, I fucked up with gold. I did think 979 was definite. Bro. Jeff, re-enter bearish. Gold at 5p. Bro, it's not bearish. Tech, I proved you wrong yesterday.
Hey, Tech, I'm gonna
And
follow
I'm
a
proving this
signal,
again.
man. I'm gonna follow someone's signal, man. Hey.
Like, I don't get why these people come here. I don't get why these guys come here onto our stream and want to give signals. Because my biggest thing is, so you waiting for 5 o'clock. You waiting for a yellow folder. So, alright, Tech. Okay, I'm going to make your name Gat for you right now, my brother. Let's make your name Gat right now on stream. I will full leverage my account right now if gold drops at 5 o'clock. Wait, what time did you say?
Sorry quickly
5
guys.
o'clock,
So
right.
sorry quickly guys. Before we continue, so I have one more bullet left. I'm taking that bullet on Euro USD right now. I'm selling it.
Euro USD.
Yeah, from that same setup, like similar to gold. So I have that fair value gap over there. Stop loss is 13.2 pips.
So you're in the sell now.
I just took it, yes. So this is my last bullet, last trade for the day.
So where's your entry?
1.08729, or the euro price is currently trading at. So to be exact about the entry, it is 1.08728.
728.
Yeah,
And
And
how
then-
big's your stop?
13.2 pips. So the stop is at 1.08850,
Alright.
and TP is at 1.08221.
Okay. Actually, and you know what I was thinking about it? Because I was like, I'm actually being nice to the man, yeah, who's wasting my time. Tech. I'm gonna say this. Because you've come here twice now. You wanna come in here, talk shit.
Yeah,
If you're wrong,
because it shows you instead of
I'm gonna put you in timeout every time you come to the
going
stream.
through all the hoops
Alright.
of doing mathematics now first. Yeah.
No, we're basically gonna ban him from the stream. So if you're wrong,
Huh?
and I'm right,
I thought on the
again,
website,
keyword again,
and it looks clean. I like
we're gonna
it.
ban you. Alright. So I hope you, let's put your money where your mouth is, alright?
Car Culture TV says, Jeff, you're a brave man. I'm just literally following my method. I'm just following my method. And yeah.
Alright guys, so all of us, we're gonna watch gold. If it doesn't drop at 5 o'clock, Tech is out of here.
Saving the beaches though. So it tracks obviously how far I was in. And I mean, I'm gonna pull it up and do it. That's just like, it literally shows you. And it's an app, right? Yeah, 2%. And I just, that was little over half a percent. No, 4% of the, huh? No, man, my profit target is. Oh, I am. Okay, sorry, I didn't know. Hey, dude, I played smaller.
More than 4% because you had 5%.
I need to lower my risk.
Less than 5%. 2.5 is 5%.
I didn't realize that. I was playing as if I could risk $1,000.
So you were risking 2% in the trade.
Yeah, actually. Yeah, that's bad. That's bad.
I'm glad it went your way.
Yeah, no, 100%, but I mean. Yes, I didn't realize that. What the fuck? Make me sweat though.
Oh, Anton. You back, my boy, you back. And check out, bro, it's a magic trick. You gone again. Oh, Keys verse chat, super funny. I had to drop a like for that. Lol. Gold is breaking my heart. So many pips left, bro. Literally. Like, when we got this break, I said, like, this is going to 1980. We broke it down in the analysis. We just didn't get a entry, guys. What are the daily pivot settings? Guys, there is no settings. I just changed the amount to 1. So I just have 2 days, not yesterday's and days before. So I just changed it to 1. And all the settings are how they are. Here, out of here. Keys is a humble man. He's just a straight shooter. No bullshit. Reese. Wow, what did Reese say? Where's Reese? Keys needs to get more humble. God will pray for you. Oh, dear Lord Jesus. Reese boy. If you don't like it, fuck off. Simple, bro. I don't need to make money for idiots like you. And Nas going up. Where's my boy? Ridwan. Did you take the sales, bro? And Reese. That's why I can be a straight shooter. I don't fucking miss, you idiot.
Yes.
FIFO, bro. Keegan, you're a twat. So why are you here, bro? You clearly need to still learn how to make money from me. So what are you? Just a broke ass bitch. You don't make money. Really? Chad, how many trades did we take this morning? How many trades did we take this morning? What's up? No. I don't have to do shit. I mean,
You know that's the thing about trading, eh? You take a good trade, no one thanks you. Take a bad trade, you're the kakkest trader ever. It's
why is there so many haters and nice? Yeah, double TP. Good trade, broski. What's your entry? And yes, it's highly likely at Daniel. Neville, are you sure Reese is not Anton as well? Geez, are we gonna trade the Nas, bro? Oh, the entry was on this retest, bro. These boys are great. I've learned so much. 3 guys, stop messing with Keys. The man been dropping gems. I passed my funded account due to his recommendations. The bro knows what he's doing. True, Jeff. Take it easy. Family show. I don't know if we'd call it a family show necessarily. But that's there.
At Gus, these boys, these boys, they must still grow up. You know about that, ne? You know what I hate the most, ne? Men. Guys who call themselves men, and they hide behind a fake name, come on social media, talk shit, but I bet you in person, none of them, they would say that shit to your face. Bet you that. People must also understand that even though I'm talking for myself personally, eh? I'm from the street, you know, and where we from, whew, someone niks sê nie. That is it all.
Sure, check Nas go. That was actually a beautiful trade. Don't know if anyone got in on that entry, but beautiful, beautiful trade, guys. Oh, my boy Java making 5% on the thing.
Yeah.
I got it, Keegs. Oh, lovely, bro, lovely. Lovely stuff. I took it 3 positions deep in profits. You oaks are animals, guys. You animals. I love it, though. I love it. Congrats to whoever got Nas. No, it's bullshit. And there's people trying to flex on the chat. More than half of what know that they probably learned on stream. Screw them. We don't need no nigga. You don't have to stay at Afro. No better way to calculate. 120 profits, 10k account. Wish me luck. Jeff, get ready, mate. You think Nas will test 1600? Nas is going to be a runner, guys. But definitely can. In on Nas. We are loving it, guys. We are loving it. Nas is a beautiful trade, yeah. That's the best time to bear on Nas. Oh boy. If it retests the high, I'm in. US30 as well. Break the lows straight up, as we called as well. Gold, I'm probably just going to wait for this retrace. Well, not going to get a retracement till there anymore, guys. So we're probably not going to get anything there. Adjust the pivot setting, thanks. Absolute pleasure, guys. Where the hell did all these limits coming now? The hourly candle on Nas is so beautiful. Yeah, bro, that is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. What time you guys stream in the afternoon? Well, now it's a 4 till like 5, 6, and then the mornings is 9:30 till like 12ish. Best trading view plan. Well, I think now they actually have a Black Friday special. I got an email earlier about it. So if I was you, I'd just take whatever the Black Friday special is. But you can do monthly, yearly. But I think I have the Pro. I don't know. I think I have the Pro. Keegs, it's almost 5 p.m. for tech lag signal. Can this be a good level to short gold? In tech lag's opinion, it is, but because of news.
Guys, if you took Euro USD, get ready to manage. Get ready to manage. It's 2 minutes left. If it doesn't close below the pivot on the 5 minute now, on the R1, then I'm gonna scratch EU and I'll be done for the day. And then
are you in an EU trader?
Yeah, and if I take that, if I scratch this out at break even, then I'll be up 1% for the day.
Beautiful trade, Keegs. Knowledge gave me 2 out of 2 trades on Nas. Like the video. Yo, guys, please just drop a like. Really, really appreciate it. Gold respects Feds. I disagree again. Would you say the fair value gap in the hourly would be a place to enter bullish on what market? You guys are so amazing. Congrats, Jex. Let's see. GJ, bro. We weren't ever looking at GJ. I am only 4.5% up for the day. Thanks, Keegs and Jeff. Absolute pleasure.
You're welcome, man. You're welcome. See, this is a perfect example of what I talk about. And people don't see this, for instance. So on my funded account, I'm only up 1%. And look at Gus, he's up 4.5%. Like, watching us do this, but for instance, I have a less gain, you know. So it's like, it goes back to that thing. You should never compare yourself to someone else. Only compare yourself to yourself. It's you versus you. I'm very, very proud of you guys.
Yeah, I'd say TP for Nas up there, guys, R1. So if you guys are in that, TP for Nas R1. Alright, tech. 5 o'clock, my man. Let's see if Nas, US30, and gold sells. Let's see, brother. Let's see. Keegs, success has brought you haters in the stream. Gosh, bro. Tell me about it. Tell me about it. So my EU buy prediction was not too bad after all. Bro, 100%. I was bullish on EU as well. But as again, like that's the thing, guys. I respect that we're still with Jev. You have a plan. That's your setup. Back yourself. Doesn't matter. I'm a good trader. I'm sitting next to Jev and I'll say, bro, I'm bullish. That's his setup. He takes it. If he doesn't take it, I always say to guys, if you don't take it because you're not backing your trade, if you don't truly back yourself when you enter a trade, you're already 50% are going to lose that trade because yourself, you're already doubting yourself before the market's even had a chance to go at you. So end of the day, you can take a loss. I still respect a guy that backs himself. 1.2k for the day. Big thanks to you guys. I got a perfect EP on Nas. Awesome, awesome. It's more about the mindset. Just set the trades. Like Chris always says, 100%. If you ain't got haters, you ain't successful yet. 100%, bro. DXY about to break the low. Jev, you're holding EU. DXY about to break the low. Tech, where you at, my brother?
Yeah,
I'm not seeing any bearish momentum anywhere yet. So, where you at, bro?
Car culture, yes, I am holding EU, specifically because the 5-minute candle closed below the pivot. It didn't close bearish though, but it did close below the pivot. So to me, that is a sign that it's holding. Currently, it is holding that high. So if it breaks above that, then I will scratch it. Either it will break it slightly below my stop, and I will scratch it, or I'll be stopped out. One of the two. We just have to wait and see what the market wants to do.
Yeah, I don't mean to be that guy, but I'm not seeing any bearish momentum. Guys, maybe take guys these directions wrong. Nas, bullish. Don't see any bearish candle. US30 just basically broke Asia highs. Gonna have the retest. Go bullish again after that. Yeah. But ish. Love in the background music, gents. Appreciate it, bro. My account was 75 USD. I'm up 200 USD because of you guys. Jake's mad love, bro. Do the percentage in maths. Oh, that's crazy, crazy. Rough, haven't seen someone challenge Keegs and win. I don't even mean to be wrong, but we've had some big traders come on here and challenge me. Shout out my boy Sahil. Respect the guy. He is a good trader, but still one on you, bro. Still one on you. But yeah, like I said, guys, you want to take me on, take me on. For those that don't follow me, I put the post up yesterday. Before you tune me, come step into my world and take a trade live. Let's see who gets it right. US30 has just retested Asia highs. There we go. So US30 back at Asia highs. Nas, DXY holding those lows, guys. I'm 1% on US30 buy. Keegs is the Luke Skywalker of trading. Yeah. Nah, but that's what I always say. The guys, the OGs, the real ones that are here, as we always say, only love for all of you guys. Really appreciate all of you. And it makes me feel good to sit here and make money with you guys.
Okay, guys, time to manage. So that price kind of broke above that pivot. So I'm also going to scratch EU minus. Let me just see how far this is. From there till there. So it's like a 10 pip stop. 10 pip hit that we're taking, so not that bad. Not that bad at all.
I have you guys in the background like a radio. Oh, love from London. Oh, appreciate it, bro. Definitely still want to make a trip to the UK. Definitely. Keys, you trade very similar, bro. Hey, you know what they say? Great minds think alike. What am I looking at? Keys. You can't drive. Don't open my windows if it's cold now. It's raining. So you hold the unlock and open the windows. Isn't it raining though? These guys stand here like open my car windows outside and it's like raining outside. You gone opposite way to Hans Bali. Here, Anton, you still here, bro? I think you will still go down, but you're literally early, Jeff.
Yeah, near, it happens. It happens.
My boy. E and gold were good trades.
Yeah.
Oh, that's odd. DXY breaking the lows. Gold bursting up. Nas shooting up. US30 holding the Asia highs. My boy Tech Lab. Where you? You are out of here. So Anton, the question is, bro, before you want to keep running your mouth, the chat can actually tell you they are all in this trade over here. 20 pip stop. That's the trade some of the guys are in now. So what's that, Anton? What's your answer for that one? Before I kick your ass out of here as well. It's your problem. How's it my problem? It's a winning trade. I'm not sure you can make it right. Okay, Anton. You're gone again, bro.
Yeah, I was looking at it now at that pivot, and I was like, yes, you could have taken a nice little.
Alright, Anton is out of here, guys. Wait,
Oh,
what?
It's at 15,812.
Oh, okay, it's not that much.
Yeah.
That would probably be like.
See, I wanted to sell from here now, but then it happened so quickly also. So.
It always does. It always does.
But yeah, I took my bullets. Yeah.
Alright, there you go, guys. Anton is off the channel. We have decided to say goodbye to Anton.
Pivot.
We wish him a farewell.
Oh.
So Anton is gone. We're gonna kiss that area goodbye. He's now done. Unfortunately, we won't be seeing Anton back. You made any trades today? We've had some banging trades today, bro. I predict these while breaking the low. Yeah, car culture, 100%, bro. This, like I said, this is bearish. You obviously got to take the lows out to flip more bearish. But yeah, 100%. He'll make a new account. Yeah, he probably will. I bought gold 1979. Can you make a kick out of a tune for Anton? He will come back with a different alias like not a hater. Not missing him already. Okay, we're gonna look at GJ, even though again some people don't understand when I say I do not look at these pairs in New York. Oh, here's that flipping message. James, could you please look at GJ? Is that rejecting off a 5-minute demand zone? So what are you wanting to do with it firstly? Are you wanting to buy? Are you wanting to sell? Again, I told you my opinion. I am bullish on GJ. So if you want to, again, I am bullish. Faking out, make the low of the day, wait to get back above, trade back up. But I am bullish on it. Yeah, so I would buy, but I would wait to regain Asia lows. So once you get back above Asia lows, you can look to go there. But obviously watch out for these areas of rejection. On the 15, we can get a clear area there. So you got one area there, basically very close. You want to watch for that break above. If you start rejecting, close out. If you start breaking above, you can hold it all the way back to Asia highs up here. But just monitor the trade, but wait to get back above Asia lows. I'm gonna sell on US30. Best of luck, bro. Key CJ Signal says buy US30 and buy Nas. What's your thoughts? Well, we bought Nas and US30 like long ago, not now. I bought it down there, but not now. In gold buy 1973. Recommend TP or close out. 1973. I'd close 19. Like this is your daily key level. This area, yeah. So I'd say 1980. You can push it maybe to the R2, but I would close out in this area. CJ bankroll. Clarence. Which trades are we still in? Jeff closed EU. He closed or stopped on gold. And I missed the Nas. Some guys are still in it, but I missed the Nas.
Check ATM's calling their keys.
Who?
ATM. Folder. But you guys have more than You see that?
I wouldn't say I'm bad, bro. I'm not like a sweat. Like I'm not like a sweat. Yo, some of those guys. But I wouldn't say I'm bad. And I wouldn't say I'm average. I'm above that, but like I said, I'm not like, if you play Call of Duty, you know when I'm talking about those sweats. Like that's a whole nother level. Yeah, tech went very quiet after gold pumped, because apparently gold respects the feds. Apparently, a yellow folder at 5 o'clock. It's gonna respect that. A lekker yellow folder. Tech, don't make me ban you. I banned Anton Brew. I'm not in the mood today. I don't have time for haters. Again, you want to come to this channel, you want to challenge me, at least give me competition. Please don't open gold. This is breaking my heart too much. I even deleted the chart. Seller one and buys on the other. I just started to live with Jason now. Oh, guys.
Shame now you keep it open, Keith.
Yeah. Apparently I've got to calm it, guys. I'm being a bit too harsh here, apparently. God buys on gold holding since Monday. Damn, bro. Wait. Monday. Because we had CPR. Monday. Yes, it's 1932.
Yo. Lekker, man.
Bro, if you hold in, I promise you, TP 2000. You hit 2000 tomorrow. I promise you hitting 2000 tomorrow. That is madness, bro. Well done. Well freaking done. How's the rain that side? It's a little drizzle. Would you still go long on Nas and US30 if the pullback some more?
I'm actually looking at US30.
Are you selling or are you buying?
Buying.
Okay, then we can.
At 34,906 potentially.
Okay. Yeah, if maybe I'd get if I got a nice re-entry, I would. Yeah. I don't think so. He seems like a top guy. Once chatted with him and he was a very genuine. Call cultures. That's CJ, bro. Do you think gold's gonna pull back to 1970? Yo, where's it now? 1970. No, not today. If we close above 1980, this is our area for tomorrow. This is our zone for tomorrow. So we won't be pulling back to 1980. 1970. Yeah, Clarence, bro. So yeah, hear me out, alright? This is where I don't respect that type of things, alright? The guy having a big head, doesn't reply to people, doesn't answer people, and then makes you pay money to take a trade, to trade NFP with him. He feeds everyone a fat stop loss and blows accounts, and then doesn't post anything. Not even a case of like, oh guys, trading, we got this one wrong, we learned from it. Like nothing. Just disappears off social media for 2-3 days, and then pops up like 4 days later and just starts posting other stupid content again like nothing happened. Like that I don't have respect for. As I always say, if you screw up, be a man, have the balls, step up and go, oh shit, sorry guys, like it was a cuck call, I'm sorry, but I'll make sure we get the next one at least. Like at least be sympathetic when it comes, and that's the thing, when it comes to money, and that's the thing, that's why, yeah, like for example, if you take a loss, if you trade with us and we take a loss, we do it together. I'm not charging you to come trade here with us and then I'm just feeding you stoppers. You know what I'm saying? But damn, I did not know that. Yeah, bro, go look on his Instagram. Go look. I think he even took the post down actually, where he was like the whole trade 200 rand to trade NFP with him, and he fed everyone a fat loss. And I think that's why he didn't do CPR now. Cause yeah, we had a guy that was on the lives here, was like, yeah, we called NFP, and he's just like, yeah, CJ gave the opposite to what I did. And it was one of those where it went one direction. So he obviously just fed the guy's stops. Yeah, don't like CJ sends buys or sells for Nas and USD at the same time. I hear you. I don't even follow him. Met him once in a club in Josie. That's what I said, bro. Nothing personal on the guy. But just that situation. Like I don't like how that's handled. He just says close position to avoid taking any more loss. Bro, look at Nas. What's Nas doing? I'll still go for that re-entry, guys. I'll go for that re-entry on Nas. Oh damn, I'm moving things. US30. Yeah, guys, maybe this is our chance. CJ is an even worse guesser than Joash. Best traders on YouTube, facts. 100%. Really appreciate it, Bruce. Really appreciate it, bro. US30, please. I want to go long. We want the buys. Joash is the biggest scammer. Tick fudged gold, but Nas and US30 went his way. They went his way after 20 minutes. So technically I wouldn't, because for example, so you get gold there, you hit stop loss. Nas, you entered there, it still went up with probably our guys trade, over leveraging, you hit stop loss. US30, depending, you might have still been in. Gold monthly just flipped. Alright guys, I told you gold's gonna it's flip bullish now. I'm out. Cheers, G's. Need to go and hit cardio. Enjoy, brother. Cardio is the worst. Guys, you're doing a great thing here. Don't get those idiots who are just jealous. Love you. Much love, my brother. Much love, Christian. Because of Dix, now his guesses are a bit better. What do you think about Professor Caleb? Forex.
Oh no, I think he means profit. He must they must profits most. They must use God's
Caleb,
name to
Forex Nasdaq billionaire. I don't. And
wasn't this one
just
guy?
we talk about facts. Just facts. I don't know a billionaire that drives a 420D, a GTR, and lives in a 1-bedroom apartment. Like, I've never seen a billionaire do that.
There was this one guy, what's his name? Louis Jr. I don't know how to pronounce his surname, but it's the guy from Undercover Billionaires. He used to do the same thing where it's like, you know, I'm not even joking. This guy would say like, he used to have dreams, ne? The next day, he had a dream last night. Jesus told him to buy gold or do this. And people would follow him because he's using God's name to... This is why I say like, be careful of people who pretend to be prophets and pastors who pretend to help you, because even church is a business.
Okay, Tick. Bro, again, as I said, I got rid of Anton. I don't have time for these guys anymore. Bro, you were wrong. Like, can we go back in the chat and we can see you said at 5, watch, it turns bearish, okay? It's 23 minutes later and something's happened. So this was not your Fed news that did anything. So either just shut up or I'm banning you from the stream, bro. One of the two.
Oh, we must have a beautiful night.
You off, my brother? Of course, brother. Of course. But yeah, guys, there's some proper clowns in this industry.
You know, I kind of really hope this is that crash that's imminent on the dollar. I really hope that we take out these lows so that we eventually can really switch bearish on this pair, because honestly, we can't just keep on going up like there's no tomorrow.
What pair is this?
The dollar index. It would be cool to see them take out these lows and actually confirm that we're really now in a bearish market, like, you know.
Yeah, well, for me, dollar's bearish. Like, I say dollar's gonna go bearish to even like 102, 800. Let's go to the weekly. Yeah, bro, dollar can go bearish literally to, I'd say first point actually 101, 800. Next point, it's gonna go for those lows at 99.
Yeah.
Like, it's just going to go bearish from now. That was that breakaway. So unless they form another structure somewhere to when they start rating heights again, hiking rates, but that's it. You got some YouTubers these days. You leave the stream around 24/7, get stopped out overnight, and come back to the next morning, and then they in profits to keep their P&L looking nice. Oh my word. US30 entry geeks. If we get back above that EQ, bro, I'll enter. Maybe I'll take a little entry there. Sorry, bro, I missed when you said your TP on NAS. What was it? The R1. So for me, TP on NAS R1 over there. You can see a little TP up here. So that would be 15,925 basically. Nas trade is going to give me a heart attack. Keys are using ACAP for US30 Orlando. You guys ever trade crypto or strictly FX and indices? FX and indices, I don't do crypto. I think gold is going to cross 1990 today. Definitely can. Wouldn't be surprised. Wouldn't be surprised if it did. Yo, still bleak. We couldn't get in that trade, guys. Like, we called it, but we just didn't get that entry. We got the pullback on basically how the R1 has support. And I think that was also literally was on market open, it ran. So we couldn't get that entry. Just need NAS to break through Asia highs. Yeah, it's having a bit of a tough time there. But we love it. We're still going to give it some time. Dun. But US30 also having a little bit of a drawdown there. DXY just melting, guys. Just melting. Are you guys looking for some trade? How are you guys looking for some trade right now? I'm thinking of taking Nas. US30. US30 we could even possibly go in on. Man, 5 minutes. US30 I think, yeah, that would be a nice area. Yeah, if we break this. Flip, man. If we break this, we can go long on US30. Nas, I think as you were saying, we need to just break these Asia highs in this zone. Yeah, possibly these highs. And then we are good to go as well. But I definitely think it's going to with the way dollar is just mounting. I entered US30 small a lot. Are you still looking your USD sells? That was Jeff. Jeff, you still looking for it?
No, I'm not currently. So with what the dollar index did, it kind of messed up my entire plan for the day. So when usually in a case like this, when this happens, I just stay away. So currently, I just want to see what happens moving forward. Then most likely tomorrow I will have new highs and lows. Then I will be looking at these pairs again. But the only thing currently that I'm looking at is US30. I think we're looking for buys, ne? Are you also looking for buys?
What's this one?
US30.
US30, yeah.
Yeah, so that's gonna be my last one.
Alright, Tech, you are out, my brother. We're putting you in timeout. Just want to say thank you for all the trades you guys have called, both past and future. Really appreciate it, Darren. Really appreciate it. I'm a JPY buys entered at 162.229, still holding. I back it, bro. I back it. I am bullish on EJ. I'm out, boys. Nothing for me, but we had a solid day. Check you guys in the morning. Cheers, my brother. I'll check you in the morning. US30 just looking like it's not going to give us our entry. DXY at the S1. Can I find some support there? Let's see. Does anyone know why Walmart stocks are down 7%? Yeah, that's interesting. Not sure on that one. Gold is bearish, just at the right time yet. Guys, gold isn't bearish. Okay, let's just talk slang, yeah.
You can keep an eye on USD.
Like, let's just talk about this, guys. If it is bearish, let's just go to gold quickly. You telling me that's bearish? That you're telling me is bearish? That thing is a blue dildo. How are you telling me that is bearish? You guys want to talk about it's had a bullish push. It might have a little bearish pullback. A pullback. Not bearish. Oh man. Guys, please, honestly, I'm in profit. Listen to me, buddy. Lol. Bro, if you in profits, why would you be on stream? Why would you become to look at for advice from other traders? And how are you in profits? If it's a sell, how are you in profits? There hasn't been any bearish momentum. How are you in profits? Like, just think before you talk, you idiots. Yes, sis. Bro, just please leave the stream. I actually have no time for these type of guys anymore. Like how simple some people are. And then it explains why they're not a profitable trader.
Okay, so also, I don't mean this offense to anyone, but if like Young Doji, if you put Forex terminologies in your name, I don't trust you. And like you can say it now, for instance, if you're profitable, why would you be on our stream? Really, guys, like, and I like, especially the guys who are trolls. Like, I mean this from the diepte van my hart uit. Like, why? Like, what's wrong? Like, what's wrong? Who hurt you? Is it like, honestly, guys? If you really need help, just ask. Like, there's no need to be a troll or anything like that. If you really need help, just ask us. But honestly, like, yeah, it's frustrating to see it, because obviously there's other people here who want to learn to trade. Now you guys come here with your bullshit, be honest, and you know, if you're so smart, start your own stream.
Yeah, but the thing is, they can't hit a win for shit. That's why they got to come here, because they need to learn how to trade. I've always said that, guys. If you're a profitable trader, you're not going to be here. If you're a full-time trader, you're not going to be here, because you can trade. If you're coming here to learn, to get advice, to ask, the man literally asked me my opinion on EJ. Then don't come act here like you're a smart ass. No, guys, I mean, I'm not in a trade. Trust me, he's not getting to me. I think I've proved, I've had some people that tried to get in my head, and all I've done is feed them about 4 banging trades the last few days. So, trust me, people don't get in my head, but I'm not in a trade, so I'll happily put them in their place.
And see, also like that, guys, like that. Simple example, Young Doji, not his real name, avatar, anonymous. They will never show their real faces. They will never show their real faces, because they know if they must be seen in public, will laugh in their faces. Ryan, you be honest, you need the help. Hit me up on Instagram, Ryan, at Jevan Farrow. Just hit me up. I respond to everyone. Really, I respond to everyone. I'm there to help everyone. But if you're gonna act like you're smart and ask us for help, then literally, like, not even gonna give you attention. And look at UJ now, bouncing off my zone, correlating with DXY. Early entry, it happens.
Yeah, the Young Doji, just shut up, bro. Just shut up. You're flipping irritating. You literally don't know shit, my man. Will do, bro. Young Doji, why don't you go live, son? That's just it, guys. I'm just gonna kick these people. Like, that's all I'm gonna do from now on. Jev, look at EU. You guys need mods to ban the trolls. Bro, we actually have a lot of moderators. Like, actually a lot. But the guys, like, I don't see why they don't just stop these guys from the get-go. We have to sit there and kick them.
The person who asked me to look at EU, I'm not gonna look to sell EU right now because there's no zone of mine at that level. So literally the only time I would go for re-entries is if my next zone lines up with that and it gives me the exact same pattern. Because remember, the market goes by levels. So if that level doesn't hold, the next level where it could potentially reverse from, I take it from there. This is why your risk reward plays a very, very big role with your trading. So even if you take 3 hits in a row and you catch the right one, then you basically still make all that back in one trade. But then it goes back to your accuracy as well. Jordan, just a suggestion. I will definitely pass that suggestion on to Movski to add that into the description. Okay. Looks like DXY is holding that demand zone.
But anyway, guys, DXY rejected with volume, did it?
Yeah, I'm actually looking for re-entry on USD and if it comes back to my zone. So I'm looking at 150.358. So if price comes back there, I'm gonna take it. Stop will be 11 pips. And same thing, targeting the Asian highs. So literally just trading liquidity, zone to zone, targeting liquidity. If UJ plays out, if this trade comes back UJ and holds, this will be a beautiful trade. Nice risk reward of 1 to 9.
But from my side, guys, I'm going to call it. There's not any trades we are really getting now. Jeff, I don't know about you.
I would say the only thing I'm looking at now is UJ. That will be my last trade for the day. Nothing else. Like I said, this whole push down in DXY threw off Euro USD, threw off my gold. So I'm not looking at that now. I want to see what happens now throughout the night in Asia. And tomorrow I will have a more sick idea as to what will happen on those pairs. But obviously the dollar index is going to determine what's going to happen on that moving forward. So we'll see how it plays out. So far, just UJ. Nothing else from my side.
Alvin Keys, which source chart are you using? I'm on Pepperstone and you have different color candles. Bro, you can change the color. So you can use Pepperstone. I use your Oanda, but it's not to do with that. You can change your chart colors to whatever you want. You can make them pink, purple, blue, orange, green, whatever color you want. My charts are blue and white with a black background. That's just up to you. Nas wicked me out. Are you going to take the US30 cash? Probably not. I'm just going to leave it. I already have a great trade for the day, so I will just call it. Nas flew up, forgot that it didn't take London lows and came back for them. Yeah, we did see Nas. This isn't.
Oh yeah, guys, before we go,
Nas literally tested that 4-hour rejection area that I had for you guys. You saw that there. That was the entry we wanted, and there you go. US30. I don't know what US30 is doing, but Nas rejected perfectly off that rejection zone.
Before we go, guys, Keegan actually, I obviously knew this, but it's like, you know, sometimes you know something, but you become ignorant of it. So Keegan actually reminded me of something that makes trading very easy. So that's also why today I can. So one of my mistakes I made was out machine gun on one account. So what I did now was I actually opened multiple accounts. So I have 3 trading accounts right now at the moment. That allows me to have 6 bullets. So on each account I will only take 2 trades. So my advice, okay, it's not financial advice, guys. It's just what I'm doing. So what I would do is, so Keegan commented this. So basically you have one account, you take your trades on them. If you're up on that account and you have another setup on what you want to potentially take, instead of going down that account, you just use another account of yours. That way you kind of diversify, you know. Just want to leave you guys with that before we go. Yeah.
Nah, that's perfect. Yeah, guys, I think this charts are a little bit all over the place now, but that's all good. Lol, I know you can change the colors. I mean, where you have a bullish candle, I have a bearish candle. That again, if you're on Pepperstone, I am on Oanda. Just change to Oanda, you'll see the same charts I see then. I send my trades on all Instagram. Show me your profits. Lol.
Young Doji, ne? If you can show us who you really are as a person, not your anonymous avatar account. Show us who you are as a person. What's your government name?
Okay, guys. I don't do this, but for people like Young Doji, because I don't have time for you. I'll do you better, bro. There's a withdrawal. There's Vault Markets. There's everything. There's a withdrawal. There's one better for you, bro. So shut your mouth. Go play in the flipping traffic, and I hope you learn to trade one day, bro. Alright. So I don't give a shit about your Instagram. So hopped in there, but we had to drop a like. So, alright guys, we are going to call it there. I hope you guys will have a good one. I hope this was a bit of a interesting trading one today. Yes, I don't know where all these bloody haters came in today. But I think we are going to call it there, guys. We've had a good one. For everything, peace and love, guys, from myself and Jev. We had a great day trading. It was a really good one. Loved every bit of it. And we'll see you guys tomorrow morning for the opening bell. And guys, you might see a familiar face back in the market tomorrow. So alright, we'll check you guys there. Peace and love, much love. Check you guys.
Awesome, guys. Check you tomorrow.